What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the N-Ext DIY channel. Hope you're having a kick-ass day. This video, I'm going to be putting down the Compaction Cure. We've got Air8 and RGS tag teaming it up to get rid of that compaction you have in your yard. I just started using the N-Ext products last year. So far, they're working great for me. This is how I use the Compaction Cure. I'm Jason G. You can see my channel in the description down below. Go subscribe over there if you want. It's springtime here in Wisconsin. Snow's just melted a few weeks ago. We've had a couple rain showers. I haven't put down my pre-emergent yet. That'll be happening this weekend as well. But I wanted to get the Compaction Cure down because we do have some rain in the forecast. A lot of the times I like to look ahead, at the forecast, see if we're going to get some rain. I'm also looking at the yard. Does it need something? Sure it does. I always like to use Mother Nature to my advantage. So, in the forecast, there's supposed to be some rain coming soon, and I like to get the products down before it rains. I know you're using a hose end sprayer, and that basically waters in the product anyway, but the additional rain from Mother Nature is always a good thing. Let's get some mixed up. Here's a couple tips that I came up with. Now, I got this short little bin. I got some leftover sand. This is leftover sand from my pool filter. But you could fill your products in a little bin like this inside the sand. That way, if you spill anything, it ends up in the sand. You can just spread that sand out in your yard. Nothing goes to waste. Also, you don't have to pour the product out this way. You can pour it from the side. And if it's really full, you can also pour it this way. I thought you'd like those tips from me. Alright, so I've got my ortho hose end sprayer here. The area we cover in the front yard is 2,000 square feet, roughly. So, with the Compaction Cure, you run 18 ounces of Air8 and 12 ounces of RGS. So let's get our Air8 in there first. I always want to make sure to shake them up beforehand. It smells like success. Alright, we've got our mix now. Total of 30 ounces of product. Now we can go spray it. Don't want to spill it. Alright, I always like to set it to the 2-ounce setting. I like to take my time. I enjoy this. So, let's go spraying. Well, there we have it. Compaction Cure application 1 is complete. It is April 3rd. So we can do this about 4 times a year. Or if you're only going to do it a couple times, it's best to do it in the spring and then in the fall. That's when it's most beneficial. There's going to be links down below in the description to the website for additional details. If you want any more information, you can go check that out. Once again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my channel too. See you guys in the next video.